welcome again to another video from me. Now, this video is to speak to someone or whoever is watching this that is thinking about starting their locks in 2016. So if that's you, keep watching this video. We're going to have a little chat. So, if you're thinking about starting your locks in 2016, here is a few little things I just want to tell you. So I don't have this written down or planned out. I actually have somewhere to rush to, but this idea came to my head and I really wanted to get it out there for you guys because I might lose the idea. I'm getting older in age and things don't stay up there that long. But anyway, if you're starting your locks in 2016, here's what I want to tell you. First of all, do it. If you really want to do it, do it. Don't worry about what anyone is going to say. Don't worry about how you think it might affect your job, because trust me, if you wear it well, it won't. Don't worry about anything else, but just to do it. The worst that can happen is you don't like it, you cut it off, you wear a wig, you start all over again. It's not the end of the world. If you really want to try it, ain't nothing to it but to do it. The second thing is, while you're doing it, always remember, and I say this in like every one of all of my videos, don't compare your hair or your locks to anyone else. You can always have an inspiration, but don't have an ideal way that you want your locks to look like, exactly like this person to the T, because you don't have that person's hair type, you don't have that person's DNA, you don't have that person's eating regimen, you don't have that person's lifestyle, you don't have that person's climate, you don't have anything else. Just do you, let your hair be how it wants to be, and love your hair how it is. Okay? Alright. Third thing is, document your journey. Oh my goodness, I think this is one of the best things that I have ever done, was to either take pictures, take videos, share it on social media if you want. If you don't, you don't have to, but it's just so fun to look back and see the styles that you did, see the growth that you've came along with, see how it started off in the fuzzy button phase and it just grew. Document your journey however you can. It is a great way to reflect back on your past hair experiences. Next thing is, be cautious of watching too many YouTube videos about hair products. I have a video about this, the link will be down below, but it's one of the biggest lessons that I've learned from watching YouTube hair videos. And it basically is, watch as many videos as you want, but do not be so consumed in the products that you become a product junkie. There's nothing wrong with trying products, but just be very careful. I'm not telling you not to try because it's your hair, it's all about experimenting, but be very, very careful of what you put in your hair. Try to make healthier decisions, healthier choices, and items that won't clog your pores or clog your hair follicle and then mess up your lot journey. Always be careful in what you put in your hair. Next thing is, don't overcomplicate it. Hair is meant to grow. Your hair will grow. Your hair, Afro-American hair it can be locked very easily. So don't overcomplicate it thinking you need to buy this expensive product, and if you use this XYZ equals B minus M formula, then your hair will grow and your hair will lock. Just however you want to start it, either with 2-strand twist, sister locks, coils, however you want to start it, just maintain it and your hair will lock and your hair will grow. Do not overcomplicate the process. Next thing is, keep a lot of lock inspirations around you. And when I say this, also don't only keep inspirations, like if you're starting out your journey, don't only keep inspirations of people that have longer locks and that's been in their journey for a long time. Also try to be inspired by people that started their journey around the same time as you, so you guys can bounce ideas off yourself with shorter lock styles and shorter lock, not only styles, what am I trying to say? Like, you guys can share the same experiences, so you're not comparing your hair too much to someone that's been in the game way longer than you. Get what I'm saying? So you stay inspired and stay motivated with someone that's going through the same process at the same time as you, so therefore you're going through it together. Next tip is to do your research. And I mean not only research the products that you put in your hair, but research the different types of locks there are, research the different ways to form or start your locks. There's sister locks, there's freeform locks, there's micro locks, there's traditional locks, there's jumbo sized locks. Research that you know that you don't only have one option, that there are multiple options out there for you to try. My final and biggest tip, and you guys know I was going to mention this because I mention it in every one of my videos, is, say it with me, enjoy your journey. No matter what your journey is like, no matter how your hair is coming along, make sure you're having fun with it. Make sure you're enjoying it. Make sure you're appreciating every step of the process. Make sure you guys are enjoying your entire lock journey. The more you enjoy it, the more you love yourself, the more you love your hair, the more confidence you will have. The more confidence it has, the more it radiates to people around you. The more it radiates to people around you, the more they love you, the more they appreciate your hair, the more that they see that you're rocking your hair. It's just going to expand and over expand in so many ways that you're going to be like, wow. Just make sure you're enjoying your journey, because when you enjoy your journey and you exude that confidence, it shows. It really does show in every aspect of your life. It shows. So those are my tips if you're starting your hair in 2016. If you are, congratulations. Leave a comment below. If you're not, but you know someone who should, or if you know someone that is going to start their hair, share this video with them. Let them see what it's like to start their hair in 2016. Congratulations if you are. If you are, good luck, and I really hope you enjoy your journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media sites. They're all at Kaya Journey. Links will be down below. And like I say in all my videos, enjoy your journey, even if you started it in 2016. Have a good day, you guys. Bye.